Are you aware that over 70% of people struggle to reach their financial goals? It's not because they aren't trying hard enough, but because they don't have a clear and actionable plan in place. In this video, we are going to guide you through a proven, step-by-step strategy to help you achieve your financial dreams, whether it's saving for a home, clearing debt, or investing for the future. By the end, you'll have the tools to set specific, achievable goals, assess where you currently stand financially, create a supportive budget, break down milestones, and develop a strong savings and investment plan. These strategies won't just keep you focused, they'll pave the way for long-term financial stability and peace of mind. Welcome to WealthWise Path, where we transform your financial aspirations into clear, actionable steps. If you're ready to take control of your financial future, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications for more actionable tips. Let's dive in. What is financial goal planning? Before we dive in, let's quickly define financial goal planning. It's about setting clear money targets and creating a strategy to achieve them. It's not just saving or investing, it's building a roadmap to financial stability and success. Effective goal planning uses the SMART criteria: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For instance, instead of just saying, "I want to save money," set a clear goal like, "I want to save $10,000 in 12 months for a car down payment." This gives you a concrete target and timeline. Why does this matter? Studies show that clear goals keep you motivated and disciplined, crucial for reaching big milestones like buying a house or building an emergency fund. Whether you are paying off debt or saving for retirement, having a structured plan helps you stay on course and adapt when needed. Planning isn't just about setting goals. It's about building a path to financial freedom. 5 essential steps to crafting a winning financial plan. Step 1. Setting clear and achievable financial goals. Let's start with the key step: defining your financial goals. Without a clear destination, you'll drift off course. Specific goals give your plan direction and purpose, ensuring every decision aligns with what matters most. Instead of saying, "I want to save for a house," try, "I want to save $20,000 in 3 years for a down payment." This follows the SMART criteria: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Defined goals guide your budget and spending, making it easier to prioritize important expenses and cut back on non-essentials. Setting realistic, achievable targets also helps maintain motivation and discipline as you hit each milestone. Whether you're aiming to pay off $5,000 in debt, save for a dream vacation, or build an emergency fund, clear, actionable goals lay the foundation for all future financial planning and stability. Step 2. Evaluate your current financial situation. Before creating your financial roadmap, you need to know your starting point. It's like planning a trip. Without knowing where you are, you can't chart a path to your destination. That's why assessing your financial situation is key. Start by reviewing your income, salary, side hustles, and investments. Knowing your total monthly income gives you a solid foundation. Then, track your expenses for a month to identify where your money is going. Look for areas to cut back, like $200 spent on takeout each month. Cutting that in half frees up $1,200 annually for your goals. Understanding your debts, credit card balances, loans, etc., is essential for prioritizing repayments and tackling high-interest debt first, saving you thousands over time. Lastly, assess your assets, including savings and investments. Knowing your net worth, assets minus liabilities, provides a clear snapshot of your financial standing and helps set realistic goals. By assessing your current financial situation, you create a strong foundation for better decision-making and effective budgeting that aligns with your financial objectives. Step 3. Build a budget aligned with your financial goals. Now that you understand your financial situation, it's time to create a budget that supports your goals. Think of it as your financial roadmap, guiding each dollar toward your objectives rather than just getting by. A well-structured budget helps you control spending, save effectively, and stay focused. The 50-30-20 rule is a great starting point. Allocate 50% to essentials, 30% to discretionary spending, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. This keeps your current needs balanced with future goals. For example, if you want to save $5,000 in a year, set aside $100 weekly. Budgeting tools like YNAB or Mint can help track your expenses and keep you on track toward financial success. Step 4. Set clear timelines and milestones for progress. Now that you've got your budget, it's time to set a timeline and milestones. A timeline turns a big goal into smaller, manageable steps, keeping you motivated. Decide when you want to reach your goal, then break it down. For instance, if your goal is to save $10,000 in a year, aim for $834 per month or $2,500 per quarter. This makes the goal feel achievable and keeps you on track. Milestones act as checkpoints to celebrate progress and reassess your plan. If you save less one month, adjust your future targets to stay on track. These steps keep you flexible and adaptable while maintaining focus on the bigger picture. Use tools like Todoist, Trello, or simple calendar alerts to set reminders and track your progress. Consistency and visible progress are key to staying motivated. By establishing a timeline with milestones, you build a structured path that keeps you focused, motivated, and moving forward toward your financial goals. Step 5. Build a strategic savings and investment plan. Now, let's discuss savings and investing. Two key steps that power your financial plan. Saving sets aside money, while investing helps it grow, making long-term financial goals more achievable. Start with a high-yield savings account for your emergency fund to earn more interest. For example, saving $5,000 in such an account will help you reach your goal faster. Once your fund is in place, look into beginner-friendly investments like mutual funds or ETFs. A monthly $200 investment can grow significantly over time through compound interest. Consistency is crucial. Even small, regular investments can build up over time, bringing you closer to major goals like buying a home or retiring. Periodically review and adjust your strategy to stay aligned with your goals and market trends. Stay diversified to protect against market volatility. Spreading investments across stocks, bonds, and real estate helps balance risk and keeps your financial plan on track. By implementing a savings and investment strategy, you're turning your money into a growing asset, accelerating your journey to financial independence. That's a wrap. By defining your financial goals, assessing your current situation, creating a budget, setting milestones, and developing a savings and investment strategy, you're well on your way to achieving financial success. The most important thing is to get started and stay consistent. Your journey to financial freedom begins now. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe to WealthWise Path, and share your thoughts or goals in the comments. Thanks for watching.